Hey Stray Kids fans, here's some K-pop fan art you can eat. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So quick, go bake yourself some cookies, grab your royal icing, and decorate along with me. These are adorable and beginner friendly. So my royal icing is about a 20-second consistency, and I'm just going to outline each of the eyes, and I'm going to go around twice because I want to build a wall that's a little bit taller. So to do this, you just want to touch down with your icing, lift up your bag a little bit, and slowly go around the circle. And when you finish, you can use a scribe to settle down any start or stop peaks. I let the black outline dry for about 5 minutes, and then I grabbed my brown icing in a 15-second consistency, and I'll leave a link to a video that you can watch about royal icing consistencies. All of the supplies are also listed in the description. So I outlined the face, and then I'm just going to flood that in with my brown icing, and then use my scribe to move the icing around, get it out to the edges, and all the way up to that black line around the eyes without going over the top of that black line. And once you're done smoothing out the brown icing, immediately grab some pink icing, also in a 15-second consistency, and make 2 little pink lines right inside that wet brown icing. This icing will sink down into the brown icing for a nice wet-on-wet effect. Then grab your white icing and put 2 small dots in the eyes, and then use your scribe and poke them in the eye. Sorry, puppy M. And jiggle that icing smooth, again not covering up the black outline that we already made. And then set that cookie aside to dry completely. It takes usually about 12 to 24 hours depending on where you live. And then I'm using a projector to project the image onto my cookie and a black edible marker, and I'm just going to trace on the eyes here and the nose and the mouth. And then I'll grab my brown royal icing that we used to outline the face, and I'm just going to draw on the hair. So I'm going to touch down, lift up with my piping bag, watch my line of icing where it falls, stop squeezing, and touch down at the other side. And then we can turn the projector off and color in the eyes and grab our black royal icing and pipe in the nose. And then this SKZOO cookie will be done. I think it's absolutely adorable. I'm trying to decide which one is my favorite. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to see all of the cookies in the Stray Kids series, and be sure to check out the playlist and the Life of Morgan Stray Kids channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.